सर ఇక్కడ మాట్లాడారా sir small message for the coming generations and the book reading sir please sir కొంచెం జరగండి కొంచెం మీరు వెనకండి అన్న మీరు ప్లీజ్ అరే మైక్ సార్ your message for the coming generations sir my aga నిలబడ get exposed reading should go back to old classics of every culture, whatever their mother tongue is. I think they had to go back to the roots. Poetry is very essential. Going back to reading poetry, reading historical novels is very essential. Contemporary political reading. What happened in post 1940s to the development, the growth of literature. 1940s is very essential. The latest book that you are reading. The latest book you are reading. Book that you are reading. I keep reading a lot. Telugu or English? Telugu book English. I don't know. I'm reading about Thomas Sowell. Thomas Sowell. Right now I'm reading books on Thomas Sowell, which I started rereading again about Thomas Sowell. And Telugu, now I picked up few books. Recently I went to, most of the time now I went to Delhi recently, I bought a lot of books about India and Pakistan, partition of India. Partition of India. How the subcontinent was divided and what it went through. And transfer of power from British to India. That's what the huge volumes I'm reading right. The usual time that you spend with books regularly? Mere minimum. I think whenever I get a gap, I keep on reading because in between reading, I think I do a lot of my work. To say I read at least, I think 5 to 6 hours every day. To inculcate reading habit in Telugu people, what is the plan? I think we have to revive libraries, and we have to give an opportunity to read books, and we have to give them for free, and we have to, or else we have to encourage them. Anybody can come to this particular area, go to this particular library. It is open to all. They can come, they can read, and they can discuss. Maybe sometimes a literary figure should come and educate kids what is the importance of each book and each aspect of literary background. Maybe introducing a writer. People don't know the current generation how much they know about Sri Sri. Someone should be able to explain to the current generation who are in high school or intermediate. They should be able to tell about Sri Sri. They should be able to explain about Chalangaru. It depends on whichever language, whichever background you are from. You should be able to go back to your roots and tell the prominence, the literary contribution. Papers. I think in the age of social media, I think we have to revive libraries and we should inculcate book reading in a big way. I think
regarding the pending cess that libraries that you have to get.
Yeah, I think that has been missing. I think we have to revive that part, and we have to discuss the. We'll discuss in cabinet also.
Sir, what is the opinion on digital books and physical books, sir? What is your opinion on physical books and digital books? Nowadays,
I know the reason about digital books is very essential. I keep on, even I have a digital library also. I have around, I think close to around 12 to 1300 books are there in my digital library, then my Kindle. Sometimes I buy Hindi also, Hindi and Telugu. But Telugu is not much available in digital library. But nothing to beat the feeling of a book, holding a book,